Hey everyone, it's Nirvan_Vision, and let's face it, who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. It's about building wealth and financial freedom that works for you, even when you're off enjoying life. Imagine waking up to money hitting your account, all thanks to the work you put in up front. That's the power of diversifying your income streams. No more relying solely on that 9-to-5 grind. In this video, we're diving into the top passive income ideas that can help you unlock financial freedom and design your dream life. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with dividend stocks. These are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Think of these as your silent money-making partners, working tirelessly in the background. You buy shares in a company that's doing well, and they reward you with a portion of their profits called dividends. It's a straightforward concept, but incredibly powerful. It's like getting a paycheck just for being an investor. Imagine receiving regular income without having to clock in hours at a job. Now the key here is to find established companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently. This ensures a reliable income stream. We're talking blue-chip companies, the ones that have been around for ages and have a history of weathering economic storms. These companies are often leaders in their industries. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or even real estate investment trusts. These are companies that have proven their resilience over time. These companies generate consistent cash flow and share a portion of it with their investors. This can provide a sense of financial security. It's a win-win. You benefit from their success, and they benefit from your investment. The beauty of dividend investing is that your money is constantly working for you, even when you're not actively managing it. You earn from two sides: potential stock price appreciation and those sweet dividends. This dual benefit can significantly boost your returns. It's like having your money work a second job while you focus on other things. This allows you to pursue other interests or simply enjoy more free time. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. With a bit of research and the right resources, anyone can begin investing in dividend stocks. There are plenty of resources available to help you research and choose the right dividend stocks for your portfolio. Financial advisors, online tools, and educational materials can guide you. Remember, it's all about building a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old advice is crucial in investing. Spread your investments across different industries and companies to minimize risk and maximize returns. This strategy can help protect your portfolio from market volatility. Over time, those dividends can really add up, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. This can be a game changer for your financial future. It's like planting seeds today and watching your money tree grow year after year. The compounding effect can lead to substantial growth over time. So if you're looking for a passive income stream that's relatively low maintenance and has the potential for long-term growth, dividend stocks are definitely worth considering. Start today and watch your investments flourish. Now let's talk about real estate, one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth and generate passive income. Real estate has stood the test of time, proving to be a solid investment for generations. I'm talking about becoming a landlord, but not the kind that fixes leaky faucets at 3 a.m. Instead, imagine a scenario where you can enjoy the benefits without the constant hassle. Thanks to technology, managing rental properties has never been easier. With the right tools, you can streamline operations and keep everything running smoothly. You can hire property managers to handle the day-to-day operations, from collecting rent to dealing with maintenance requests. This allows you to focus on growing your portfolio. The real beauty of real estate lies in its potential for both cash flow and appreciation. It's a dual benefit that can significantly boost your financial standing. Every month you collect rent from your tenants, creating a consistent stream of passive income. This steady cash flow can help you cover expenses and reinvest in more properties. But it doesn't stop there. The value of your property can increase over time, adding to your overall wealth. Over time, your property is likely to appreciate in value. This means that not only are you earning from rent, but your investment is also growing. It's like getting a raise from your tenants without lifting a finger. The combination of rental income and property appreciation can be a game changer. Of course, real estate investing requires capital up front, but there are ways to get started even if you don't have a ton of cash lying around. creative financing options can open doors. You can explore options like FHA loans, which require a lower down payment, or partnerships with other investors. These strategies can help you get your foot in the door. Remember, due diligence is key. Take the time to understand the market and the specific properties you're interested in. Before you jump into any real estate deal, research the market, analyze potential properties, and crunch the numbers to make sure it aligns with your financial goals. This preparation can save you from costly mistakes. Real estate can be a powerful engine for building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's a proven strategy that has helped countless individuals secure their financial future. It's about creating a portfolio of income-generating assets that work tirelessly for you. These assets can provide financial stability and growth. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and build a legacy of wealth, real estate rentals might just be your ticket to success. Start your journey today and watch your investments grow. Now let's dive into the world of digital marketing with affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to monetize your online presence and generate passive income. Here's the deal. You partner with brands and businesses you love and promote their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a cut for spreading the word about awesome stuff. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. You can start small with a blog, social media account, or email list, and gradually grow your audience over time. The key is to be authentic and recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche. Your audience can sniff out a sales pitch from a mile away, so focus on providing value and building trust. There are countless affiliate programs out there, from Amazon associates to individual companies offering their own programs. Choose ones that resonate with your audience and offer products or services they'll love. Remember, transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience so they know you're getting a small commission for recommending products. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your passions, connect with your audience, and generate passive income while doing what you love. Chapter 4. Online courses. Share your expertise, earn passive income. Have you got a skill, a passion, or a wealth of knowledge you're just dying to share with the world? Maybe you have a unique talent or a specialized area of expertise that others would love to learn about. Well, guess what? That expertise could be your ticket to passive income. Imagine turning your knowledge into a steady stream of revenue. Creating and selling online courses is booming, and for good reason. The online education market is expanding rapidly, offering endless opportunities. People are eager to learn new skills, enhance their knowledge, and level up their lives, all from the comfort of their own homes. The convenience and flexibility of online learning make it incredibly appealing. Think about what you're good at. What unique skills or insights do you possess that others might find valuable? Are you a photography whiz, a coding guru? Maybe you have a knack for teaching complex subjects in an easy-to-understand way, a master chef with culinary secrets to spill. Your unique perspective and experience can be incredibly valuable to others. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. People are constantly seeking ways to improve and grow. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your online courses. These platforms provide the tools and support you need to succeed. They handle the tech stuff, leaving you to focus on crafting engaging content that delivers real value to your students. You can concentrate on what you do best, teaching and sharing your knowledge. The beauty of online courses is that they're a one-to-many model. This means you can reach a large audience without having to repeat your efforts. You create the course once and it can generate passive income for months, even years to come as new students enroll. It's a sustainable way to earn money. Plus you get to impact lives and empower others with your knowledge. It's a win-win. Your success becomes their success. So if you're ready to share your expertise, ignite your passive income stream, and make a difference in the world, creating online courses might be your perfect side hustle. Start today and watch your influence grow. Chapter 5. Digital Products, Your Path to Passive Income Paradise. Let's talk about the magic of digital products, your ticket to creating once and earning repeatedly. We're talking ebooks, templates, printables, stock photos, website themes, the list goes on. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability and low overhead. Once you've created your product, the cost of replicating and delivering it is practically zero. Think about what problems you can solve for your audience. Can you create a stunning ebook packed with valuable insights? Design eye-catching social media templates? Develop time-saving spreadsheet templates? Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it a breeze to list, sell, and deliver your digital products to a global audience. They handle the payment processing and delivery, leaving you to focus on creating awesome stuff. The best part? You're in complete control. You set the prices, run promotions, and build your digital product empire at your own pace. So, if you're a creative soul with a knack for problem solving, digital products offer a fantastic avenue for passive income and unlimited earning potential. Chapter 6. Royalties. Turn your passion into profit. Calling all artists, musicians, writers, and creative geniuses. Did you know you can turn your passion into a passive income stream through royalties? It's like getting paid while you sleep, literally. Every time your music is streamed, your book is sold, or your artwork is licensed, you earn royalties. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Shutterstock have made it easier than ever for creators to share their work with the world and earn royalties. Now, building a loyal following takes time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. Imagine earning passive income from your creative work for years to come, all thanks to the royalties generated. The key is to create high-quality work that resonates with your audience, promote it effectively, and build a loyal following that can't get enough of your creative genius. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit and build a legacy from your creative endeavors, royalties might just be the missing piece of the puzzle. There you have it. 6 incredible passive income ideas to help you unlock financial freedom and design your dream life. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work up front and reaping the rewards for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start small, think big, and take action today. Choose 1 or 2 ideas that resonate with you and start exploring them further. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks on achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay tuned.